Hi, I'm Jay Kaye, and I know paint. You know, when winter comes around, a lot of people focus on the things inside their house that they may not notice all the time during the summer. And a lot of times they get calls to refinish cabinets. I can repaint, recoat, refinish your cabinets, and even change the hardware to give your kitchen a great new look without the expense of replacing the cabinets. You know, on the cabinets, a lot of times you can't really see everything that's on there, but there's a lot of built up old crud and grime just from years of use. Even though you keep a clean house, and I'm sure you do, a lot of times things can get in the cracks. That's why we use a very aggressive degreaser, a lot of elbow grease, and get this surface ready for a proper preparation. So you might have a tired, outdated kitchen. You know, maybe your cabinets were original to the house. And, you know, back in the 90s, 60s, 70s, they looked great. But as time goes on, styles change. A lot of people like color, but they want to make sure they have the durability too. So we use a very, very excellent product that we coat our cabinets with that makes them easy to clean, chip resistant, scuff resistant, and they last for years. So if you're interested in having your cabinets repainted, give me a call.